Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the random function programs. So now I am going to create one random program, and we will discuss what will be the output of this random program. Import random. So random is a module that is used for using the different functions of random. So we will have to import this module. So I am taking one list. In this list, there are elements 5, 8, 20, 30, 80, and 90. Now, there is a one variable start. Here I am using random dot rand int. So rand int is a function that will give us integer value from 1 to 3 because we are giving parameter 1, starting parameter 1 and ending parameter 3. It means it can give 1 or 2 or 3 because it is a part of random module. So that's why we are using random dot rand. Then end is equal to random dot rand in 2 comma 4. So starting from 2, ending is 4. It means end will maybe 2 or 3 or 4. Now next is we are using for loop for C in range start. It means we will be start from the this value 1 or 2 or 3 and end plus 1. So n plus 1 means it may go to be up to 2, 3 or 4. Okay. So that's why I'm taking plus 1. Plus 1 means one step and less means up to end. In this we print points C at the rate and end means you don't want to change the line. Now the expected outputs are given here. 1, sorry, A, these are 20 at the rate 13 at the rate 90 at the rate. Now B option. Here is 13 at the rate. C. 8 at the rate. 20 at the rate. 13 at the rate. C. D. 20 at the rate. 13 at the rate. 80 at the rate. So these are the options given. Now, for this, we will have to make a working note. Now, first of all, start, value of start, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. So we know that it is starting 1 and ending is 3. Is maybe 1, maybe 2, or maybe 3. But the value of end. In first case, it may be 2 or 3?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Vita. And if start is 2, it means if start is 1 and maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. So in this case, if start is 1, it means loop will be executed 2 times. Value C will be 1 and then 2. Clear? And in case end is 3, the loop will be executed 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And if it is 4, then loop will be executed 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, where is it clear? Okay. Now, in case start, value start is 2. So end may be 2 or 3 or 4. So in this case, if start is 2, ending is 2, it means loop will be executed single time, that is 2. And if it end is 3, it means loop will be executed 2 times, 2 and 3. Starting is 2, okay, and ending is 3. And if it is 4, it means starting 2, ending 4, means 2, 3, 4. Now next is, in case start is 3, in this case, there will be no any execution because starting is 3, ending is 2. This is not possible. But in this case, in next case, starting is 3, ending is 3, it means loop will be executed single time. ठीक है? और तो इसका मतलब ये तो हुआ ना कि ये भी 2, 3, 4 होगा. ठीक है? तो पर द फर्स्ट केस में तो लूप 3 से शुरू होकर 2 तक तो जा ही नहीं सकता. No execution. But in this case, loop will be executed single time, that is 3, starting 3 and closing 3. But in this case, loop will be executed 2 times, 3 and 4. Now we are displaying, well, point C. So these are the values C. Okay, its corresponding value in the list. So list is here. तो अगर हमने लिस्ट में देखें तो हमारे पास this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. तो 1, 2 का मतलब ये हुआ कि ये हमारे डिस्प्ले करेगा 1, 2. तो 1 में 8 है, 2 में 20 है. तो इट विल डिस्प्ले 8 and 20. इस केस में 8, 20, 13, 1, 2, 3 है यहाँ पे. 8, 20 and 13. Or in case 4 case 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 8 to 80. So it will display 8, 20, 13 and 80. In this case, 2. Here value 2 is only 20. So it will display 20. So these are the possible values. 2 and 3, 20 and 13, 20 and 13. In this case, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 20, 13, 80, 20, 13, 80, 30, 13, 80. And last case, here in first case, there will be no any output, but in next case, 3. The value 3 is only 13. So यहाँ पे 13 आ जाएगा. Here is 3 and 4, 13 and 80. 13 and 80. And there will be at the rate symbol after each value. So it means 8 at the rate, okay, 20 at the rate, then 8 at the rate, 20 at the rate, 13 at the rate. 8 at the rate, 20 at the rate, 13 at the rate, 80 at the rate. So possible out of these 20, 13, 90. 20, 13, 90 is not here. ठीक है? Here, sorry बेटा, यहाँ पे 13 आना चाहिए. ठीक है? 13, ये देखो 13 आ रहा है. ठीक है? Case B is correct one. Here is 8, 20, 13. 8, 20, 13. Again, this is possible. 8, 20, and 13. Then 20, 13, 80, 20, 13, 80. तो ये भी आपके पास है. क्वेश्चन ये था कि जो नॉट पॉसिबल, तो इनमें से जो नॉट पॉसिबल है दैट इज दिस. All of these three cases B, C, D are possible. So our question is find which output is not possible with respect to the following code. Harshika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is your working note. Next is so this question, the question is in front of you. Which possible output are expected to be displayed on the screen at the time of execution of the program from the following code? Also specify the maximum and maximum value that can be assigned to each variable from input. So students, यहाँ पे there is one list. I am copying the list here. So here is indexing is from 0 to 5. Now there is a from. Here random dot rand int 1 comma 3. It means value from maybe 1 or 2 or 3. The value of 2. So it is rand int 2 comma 4. It means value may be 2 or 3 or 4. Then they use the loop k for k in range from comma 2 plus 1 means 2 tak chalega. So again we are going to create working node. Value of from maybe 2, 3 or 4, and value of 2 तो वैल्यू ऑफ 2 आपके पास 1 भी हो सकती है, 2 भी हो सकती है, 3 भी हो सकती है. द सेम केस अगर आपके पास फ्रॉम 3 है तो 2 आपके पास सॉरी 2, 3, 4. तो आपके पास अगेन इट मे बी 2, 3, 4. Here again 2, 3, 4.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, from जो है वो 1 से शुरू नहीं होगा?
From 1 से होगा. Yes. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear बेटे यहाँ तक? Now, if we start from 1 and ending with 2, it means 2 times 2 will be executed क्योंकि आपका 2 plus 1 है. 2 plus 1 means 1 time back. तो ये 1 और 2. ठीक है, इस केस में 3 times 1, 2, 3 और इस केस में 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next case, it starting from 2 and ending is 2. Single time will be executed. Here 2 times, 2 and 3. Here 2, 3 and 4. Next is, here there will be no any execution because starting is 3 and ending is 2, not possible. Here single time and here is 3 and 4. Now write the corresponding values. The corresponding value in the case of 1, 2. So 1, 2 is 30, 40. 30, 40. Here is 1, 2, 3 means 30, 40, 50. And in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here is 30, 40, 50, 60. Now next is in second position, well, location value is second index value is 40 only. Here is 2 and 3 means 40 and 50. Here is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 means 40, 50, 60. Now, in next case, first there will be no any output. In next case, it is 3. In 3, their value is only 50. And 3, 4. 3, 4 value is 50 and 60. And 60. Now, the options given in your question is you will find out the possible output. In the previous question, we discussed not possible. So here is possible values. Here is in 10, 40, 70. 10, 40, 70 is not an option here. 30, 40, 50. 30, 40, 50 is one. Okay. So option number 2 is correct. Then 50, 60, 70. 50, 60, 70. No 50, 60. There is no 50, 60, 70. 40, 50, 70. 40, 50, 60 is there, but not 70. So here, question number 2 is, option number 2 is correct one. But remember one thing, your papers will not be MCQs type. So there may be multiple answer. तो एक से ज़्यादा आंसर हो सकते हैं. In turn two, there is a descriptive question. So the possible option may be more than one. And maximum value that can be assigned to from and to. Maximum value we have already calculated. Maximum value of from is 3 and 2 is value. Maximum value of 2 is 4. So 3 and 4. Any doubt in this? Kinjal, it is clear. Okay. Now next is now we are going to discuss some questions from your dictionary. So if you have any doubt in this, this is a random program. ठीक है, पेपर में सीखे से क्वेश्चन पेपर में आएंगे random program. Now dictionary. Now tell me, dictionaries are dash set of elements, sorted, ordered, unordered, or random. Yes, any student?
Unordered.
Yes, it is unordered set of elements. Dictionaries are also called uh, dash. This question is wait. Dictionaries are dash data type of Python. Yes, mutable, immutable, simple, all of these. Dictionaries are,
Mutable.
it is a mutable data type. Next is which of the following function are returned okay, from a dictionary? Keys, values, items, all of these. Yes, Vita, quickly give the answer.
All of
Sir,
these.
Vita, these are keys. Keys method is there to send back the that is keys value. Okay.
sir, from two questions समझा दो.
Yes, Vita?
From two question.
Which one? Repeat Vita question.
सर वो जब भी आपने करवाया था लिस्ट का AR.
लिस्ट लिस्ट का कौन सा प्रोग्राम बेटा? ये रैंडम का?
सर जी पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का.
बेटा आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर पॉइंट. लिस्ट का
सर अभी आपने जो क्वेश्चन करवाया ना कि नितिन अब क्वेश्चन जी पार्ट है सर क्वेश्चन कोड 2 से पहले.
बेटा ये दैट इज डिफरेंट. ये अब हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है वो हमने रैंडम इसी में से रैंडम सिलेक्ट किया क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, जो बाकी क्वेश्चन है आई एम नॉट डिस्प्लेइंग यू, आई एम गिविंग orally आई एम डिस्कसिंग विद यू बेटा. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट इज आई एम चेकिंग हियर इज एनी रैंडम डिक्शनरी प्रोग्राम हियर. इफ हियर इज डिक्शनरी प्रोग्राम वी विल डिस्कस दिस. ओके, ये देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन, which is the correct form of declaration of a dictionary? Yes, quickly give the answer.
सर
A.
A.
Yes, it is A1. Clear, good. We will discuss only the dictionary questions. There is one question, which of the following, which of these above a dictionary is false? So regarding dictionary, which statement is false? The values of a dictionary can be assessed using keys. The keys of a dictionary can be assessed using value. Dictionaries are not ordered, dictionaries are mutable. Which one is a wrong one? Wrong. Incorrect. False.
B option.
It is a B option.
B option.
Yes.
B option.
Yes. The keys of your dictionary can't be assessed with the help of values. Good. So I think we covered all the questions of dictionary from the sample papers.